Hello, Nina.
Hi, Pocoyo.
I have a very special surprise for you.
For me? Oh, tell me about it. What kind of surprise?
Well, I got a helicopter, so we can travel together. What do you think?
Oh, so cool, Pocoyo. I've never gotten a helicopter.
Yes, that's why I thought that we could travel together.
Of course.
Yoo-hoo! Come to my house in a few minutes, okay? And we will visit a lot of places.
Great! See you later!
Bye!
Whoa, Pocoyo, that's a great helicopter.
Yes!
Can you drive it?
Yes! Sky from the Paw Patrol taught me a few months ago, so I learned how to drive it.
So cool, Pocoyo. But you have to be careful, okay?
Yes, don't worry.
Look, Nina is coming.
Oh!
That helicopter is amazing, Pocoyo.
Yes.
Yes, it's so cool.
Furthermore, it's red, yellow and blue. Those are my favorite colors.
Where can we go?
Well, we can go wherever you want, Nina.
Oh, so cool! We could go to the playpen, or to the fountain for riding the roller coaster. Or we could go to the pool.
We can visit a lot of places.
So funny!
Come on, let's go!
Yes!
Are you ready, Nina? Let's go!
Yes, Pocoyo! I'm ready to fly!
Come on!
Have a nice trip!
Thank you!
Oh, this moves a lot, Pocoyo!
It's cool, right?
Yes, we are super high. Look, the house looks very little, right?
Yes, it's awesome.
Come on, let's move.
Come on.
Ooh, look, Pocoyo. That's the playpen. So funny.
Yes, look at the Ferris wheel.
And the roller coaster. My favorite ride.
Come on, let's go.
Look at the swings, Pocoyo. They look so small, right?
Yes, everything looks very small from up here.
Oh, have you seen that?
What?
And there's an ice cream stand.
I am getting very hungry, Nina.
We could land and we could buy an ice cream. What do you think?
Yes, good idea, Nina.
Let's go.
Let's land. Done.
We arrived. Did you like the trip, Nina? Yes, I loved it. But I think I'm gonna like even more the ice cream I'm gonna eat.
Yes, Nina. Come on, let's go.
Today, Pocoyo and Nina rode a helicopter. They visited a lot of places, but at the end, they decided to eat something. Do you remember what did they have as a snack? Screams or sandwiches? You can write the answer in the comment section down below. And if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. If you want to watch more adventures of your favorite characters, you can click on one of these videos. You can also subscribe to this channel and you won't miss any episode. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Bye bye!